Hi guys, Ollie and Luke here. Today I got a special challenge for Ollie. I have DIY'd a little puzzle toy for him. Like this. The thing is, I got one of his favorite things in there. Got some bugs. What's that, Alice? You see him in there? So my question to you, Ollie, is can you and will you be able to get him out? So let's have a look and see if he can. Come this way, Alice. Here.
What's in there, bro? What's in there, bro? Yeah, you've seen this puzzle. Huh. What is this conundrum you're in?
Now, throughout, just like any kid, he'll beg me to try to help him out. He'll bring it closer and show me and display it in a way where he thinks I'll take it and open it for him. But I think we'll just let him figure this out. You just watch him in there.
He's like, subscribers, help! You're in there? What is it, bud? Come on. You see him in there?
See, now, unlike a capuchin, like I'm sure you guys have seen Monkey Boo bang it on stuff, Ollie's species I haven't seen really do anything like that, so it's an interesting way to get some insight into how they think and how their brains work to problem solve. Ollie, you were goofy.
Wow. Yeah, the cameraman don't want bugs all over him. Come this way. What you think about him?
See how he just definitely hops now? His legs are so much stronger. I don't know if you guys can tell, but they're a little bit more buff. Made for leaping. He's trying to hide from everything.
Come here. What's that thing, dude?
What is it? So maybe they use teamwork or something. Maybe that's why he's always trying to get me to help him. Yeah, I think so. Because anytime I grab it, unless he's just upset I'm grabbing it. Where are you going? You dropped your bugs. So what do you think about that, Oz? Uh-huh. Can you get it?
Say subscribers, a little help.
Come on. Cameraman does not like bugs.
You know what's in there?
You don't want to lose this tweezer toy either.
Can I have it? Ollie, can I have it? You can have this one.
Here. I guess that's one way to do it. Oh, they've never seen you get that low before, bro. You just back it up and dump it.
He bites us off the heads.
So I wonder if there's a bad tasting part of them. He seems to like pop their heads off and then... Uh-oh, he lives.
Extra crunchy, bro.
So these are part of the mealworm colony I was building. They're about the end of their lifespan, so when they get about around there, I give them, oh, don't come over here with that mess, bro. Because you don't discriminate where he drops them. And I found them in my shirt, and it's not a pleasant experience. But he does eat them.
Don't trap anybody, buds.
For real. Okay. The old beetles, oh.
You like beetles? Are they good?
I don't know if he's eating them or is he just playing with them now. Looks like both. So, neat little toy. It's pretty cool. Brad, camera first. But we probably got close to 100 beetles and beetle buddy. Alright, so there you go. Thanks, bro. Good looking out in our little thing. Just a beetle head chilling. Oh yeah, you want that beetle head? You got it too. Is it good? Thanks for watching the only channel on YouTube dedicated to the life of a baby squirrel monkey.